Hello and welcome to this digital camera magazine video tutorial. Here we're going to show you how to add atmospheric motion to a landscape. So here we've got a picture taken in Ilkley in Yorkshire, and what we want to do is just to show all of the movement of the wind in the grass and basically replicate the effect of using an ND filter. We're then going to convert the image into black and white just to really create the atmosphere and drama of the scene. So hopefully we'll end up with something along these lines. So here we can just see the movement in the grass here in the water. We've added a little bit of movement to the trees in the background, and it really does show the wind that was there at the time this picture was shot. So to do this is very simple. It just takes a series of layers and effects. I'm going to start off by just duplicating the background layer. So if you duplicate that 3 times, just click onto the layers palette and drag and drop your background layer into the new layer icon, and you'll see a background copy layer appear. If you just do that another couple of times, and we're just going to label each of these so that we know exactly what they are. Okay, once we've done that, we're going to click on the top layer, and what we want to do first of all is just apply some motion blur to the layer. So if we go up to filter, down to blur and motion blur, and we want an angle of 45 degrees, and we're going to put a distance on that of 100 pixels. And you can see in the little preview window how that's sort of blurring the image, but we've got a sort of linear blur going on there, so the motion blur effect. So once done that, just click OK, and then we just want to hide the visibility of that motion layer. So just click the visibility icon next to the layer and it'll show the layer underneath. Once done that, click on Motion 2, and again go up to Filter, Blur and Motion Blur, and this time we want an angle of -45, and we're going to take the distance down to about 90. And again you can see the angle of the blur is in the opposite direction, so we've got a little bit of the movement backwards and forwards. Once done that, just click OK, and we've now got our 2 blur layers. Once we've done that, we want to start to cheat our layer masks. So if we click back onto the top layer, switch visibility back on, and we're going to create a levels adjustment layer. So just go up to your adjustments layer icon, down to levels, don't make any adjustments and just click OK. And then drag that below motion 1, hold down Alt and just click in between the 2 layers, and you've now got your adjustment layer mask. Again we need to do that for the second motion layer, so just go to levels again, click OK, and we want to drag the second adjustment levels layer below motion 2, hold down Alt and just click in between the 2 layers again to clip that to that image layer. Okay, with the 2 motion layers blurred and with the levels adjustment masks attached, we'll join you in the next part where we start to actually reveal some of the underlying background image and start to apply this motion effect to the image.